Now that we're done with all the theorems from Lesson 3-2, we're going to add in a quick theorem from Lesson 3-4, and that is the perpendicular transversals theorem. Let's start by talking about the definition of perpendicular lines, and that is two lines that intersect to form right angles. So if we have line A here and line B here, we will know that they are perpendicular because it will be indicated with our little right angle mark. So we know that these lines are perpendicular because they intersect to form right angles. So now let's move on to the theorem. The perpendicular transversals theorem says, if a line is perpendicular to one of two parallel lines, then it is perpendicular to the other. The proof of this one is actually pretty easy because the corresponding angles postulate says that corresponding angles are congruent. And since this angle that is marked with the right angle mark is 90 degrees, because that's the definition of a right angle, then its corresponding angle down here must also be 90 degrees. And because that angle has a measure of 90 degrees, it is a right angle. And because it is a right angle, then those two lines are perpendicular. So you should be able to do that proof quite easily by yourself. And now we are done with the lesson.